Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. Around January or February back in 2019, we built the ultimate sleeper, and at the time that hardware was like really crazy. I decided that I wanted to keep the case because it's a case I've had for a few years. It's a nice like old school vintage looking server tower or tower server case, and I decided that we would revisit this but put in some even more crazy hardware. So this time we did a custom loop. We obviously only looped in the CPU because of the restrictions we've got with the front radiator mount and all that jazz. I'm going to explain that a little bit later, but we built the ultimate sleeper again, but this time it's water cooled. Anyway, if you guys want to see how it came together, I suggest sticking around and watching this video. So without further ado, let's roll the intro. Back when I did the original build, it was like a 9900K, the same GPU, used a 360mm AIO, and I already did all of the modding of the case back then. And if you wanted to see how I did that, and did all the front drive fascias and all that, there's a link in the top right hand corner right now. But I'm gonna stop talking and we're gonna talk about this after you see how this came together. So without further ado, let's see how this cool beast came together. Sorry, I'm really excited about this. I've been waiting over a year to redo something in this. So yeah, let's see how it all came together. All right, ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed that build. Now, the thing is with this build, I'm not benchmarking or anything like this. It's purely a show build. Like, there's nothing practical about this PC at all. There's not even any real intake for the front radiator. It is purely just to be a sleeper PC. You would not use this PC at all, because with the side panel on, it'd basically cover up the GPU. There's not enough airflow at all in this system. It's purely for looks and because I can. So the idea behind this system was to really go the next level beyond what we did with it last year and do a custom loop with it. The loop in this is a really simple loop. I just wanted to do a CPU based loop. I didn't want to go too crazy with the GPU in a loop as well. I don't really feel like it would suit this aesthetic of this PC because I just love the way that this GPU looks when you set the fans to be on constantly. It just looks really cool, and I feel like there's no water block that would have this type of look. For the coolant and stuff like that, I think I've talked about this before. We use Primo Chill View. It used to be gray. I watered it down so it's almost transparent and white now. Yeah, because we always get questions about the coolant we use for these show builds. It's always Primo Chill View, and I either modify the mix, so I add something, or I add water and I water it down to make it look slightly different than this original mix that you get with it. The motherboard and hardware and all that, there'll be a PC part picker list down below in the description. But as for the CPU, it's the AMD Ryzen Threadripper 3970X. It's the 32 core monster. The motherboard is the TRX 40 Taichi from ASRock. The GPU is obviously the Aorus Extreme 2080 Ti. All of the water cooling gear is EK stuff, including the radiator, the fans, fittings, absolutely everything. The RAM is Thermaltake Tough RAM. It's only 32 gigs of it. I did actually just receive about 128 gigs of it recently. We will be doing a new build with that. That's going to be really, really exciting. But yeah, there's not really a lot that I want to add to talking about this because it's a kind of, it's this case mod case that I built like going on almost 2 years now, and I just wanted to revisit it and just put something completely different in it. This is easily one of the ultimate sleepers. This is one of the coolest sleeper cases ever because it's actually a server case, and that's the difference between all of the other sleeper PCs you've probably seen around the internet. They use like stock A-open cases from back in the day, some older Antec cases and stuff that was really easy to get back then. This case is completely rare. It's from an NEC tower server and used to have a Pentium 4 in it. I've actually still got the original hardware for this as well, so I haven't got rid of it. But yeah, I really like how this turned out. It's a lot better than I expected. As you can tell, I'm just excited about it. It just looks awesome. Obviously, it's not gonna stay together forever. It's purely just a show PC, and that's what I like to do sometimes. Just build something ridiculous and cool and show you guys what is cooking in this head of mine, because sometimes I just wanna build ridiculous stuff, and here it is, something ridiculous, and I hope you guys enjoyed all of it. What do you reckon, Claire? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Heaps better than the original one, right?
Good.
Yeah, it's really, really good. And as for like the bends and stuff like that, I did brand new 90-degree bends. Like, this loop is so simple, it's not funny. Almost anyone could build a hardline loop like this. I literally didn't try that hard. This whole build, how long did it take, Claire? Like 3 hours or something. Yeah. Like, it's not that complicated. Obviously, I put the work in ages ago doing all the case modding before, so if I wanted to rebuild it was obviously going to be pretty easy. Cable management, I forgot how actually easy you could make it in something like this. I hid it all behind the radiator, and I used some like gaffer tape to hold it all down so you couldn't really see it. But yeah, I like it, I dig it. PC part pick list down below in the description. I make all the music, you know how we do here. I'm just excited. Anyways, guys, if you like this video, like it. I know you guys like it because it's cool, it's a lot different. If you hated this video, hit the dislike button twice. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peak, we seek. And once again, I'll put the link to the original build that we did like almost 2 years ago when we built the original sleeper, so you can see like how all the modding came together for this. But I did just really want to revisit this because it's something that's been sitting on our shelf since we finished that build, and it looks at me every single day and it's like, dude, can you do something with me again, please? And yeah, that's what I decided to do. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching, and here's some bonus Big Cat. Why not? Big Cat, what you doing, little buddy? You gonna let me pat you today? You gonna let the bonus Big Cat come out for some pats? Every time I bring the camera out, you wanna be less cute. I wonder if you guys can hear him purring. Oh, there it is. Oh, his favorite. Look at him go. Oh, Big Cat, you are the coolest dude out. What did you reckon of the sleeper PC? It's just like you, Big Cat, it sleeps all day. What's this? What's this? Oh, buddy, you're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, look at that. See, look, guys, he doesn't attack me. He's a dog. He doesn't care. Look, he does not care. See, look. Big Cat, yes. You don't care, do you, boyki? Oh, you're so cute. Look how affectionate this guy is. You're a big dog, aren't you, Big Cat? Big dog. What was that?